I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to disconnect an app or website from your Facebook account. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device, and then tap the menu icon. Step 2. Tap the settings icon on this screen. The settings and privacy screen is displayed. Step 3. Scroll down to the Your Activity section and then tap Apps and Websites. You'll see a list of apps and websites that you've connected to your Facebook account. Step 4. Find the app or website you want to disconnect from your Facebook account and then tap that item. An information screen for that app or website is shown. Step 5. Find the Logged In with Facebook section and then tap Remove. A window pops up asking if you want to remove all of your connections between Facebook and this item. Step 6. Choose whether you want Facebook to notify that service provider that your login connection was removed and then tap Remove. That app or website will be disconnected from your Facebook account immediately. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.